Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I am bringing you an unboxing of my September BoxyCharm by Ipsy box. So if you want to know what I received in my box, go ahead and stick around. Alright y'all, before we dive into this box, let me put on a little bit of lip gloss because my lips feel a little dry. Oh yeah. I am using the lip oil in the shade Juicy Melon by Cobb, and as you can see, I've just about used it all. I love their lip oils. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into this box, y'all. Scissors are so, and as you can see right here, it says Glam Box, BoxyCharm icon box, and the refreshments. So when I open up the box, that is what it looks like. I hate that it doesn't have like any protection, like any bubble wrap or anything. Like, where's the paper that used to come with to protect my products? But I did have two add-ons. So let's start with what BoxyCharm picked out for me. Let me get my notes right here. So we're gonna start off right here with this Yensa Beauty face cream right here. This is one of the products that Ipsy or BoxyCharm picked out for me. It's a full-size product and it's valued at $48, and you're getting 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 mils of product. That is, I've never really used this brand, so I can't tell you if it's yay or nay, good or bad. But it's a Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. Okay, look forward to checking it out. I was able to go in and customize my 3 products this month, y'all. Y'all know I used to be bad about it. I've gotten better. So the last couple of months I have been able to go in and customize my products, which is a plus for me. So the next product that Ipsy chose for me is this Laura Geller Soft Satin 6 Matte Eyeshadows and 2 Highlighter Palette. This is valued at $20. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. And both sides are sealed. Where are my scissors? Right here. Come on. Y'all know how I am with packaging. I don't want to tear it up. This is the time that I need my little cutter. Alright, there it is. I love the packaging. That is what it looks like. That is pretty. There is a mirror, so this is what the colors look like. They are so pretty. So pretty. I love that dark color. That stunning and the striking. I basically love them all. So yeah, that is what that looks like. Alright. So let's go with the products that I picked for myself. The first item that I chose is by Cocokind. It is a Resurrection Polypeptide Cream, and this is a full-size product valued at $27. Oh wow. It is sealed, but that is the packaging. That is what it looks like. It says rich moisture for deeply restored and supported skin. hydration intense. Okay, cool. You are getting 1.78 or 50 mils of product, which isn't bad, y'all. Oh, sorry about that timer. That was my dryer going off. Sorry about that. All right, the next product that we have is by Clean Beauty, and it is a conserving your face oil. 30 mils of 1.05 fluid ounces. That is what it looks like, and that is valued at $55, y'all. That is crazy. That is crazy. Let's see what it looks like. All right, I had to tear up the packaging, but that is pretty. It's just in a clear bottle, but that is what that looks like, which isn't bad. Is that the most expensive thing? That looks like that was the most expensive thing in my box. Yep, that was the most expensive thing. And the last product that I chose for myself was by Luna Magic. It's a Soft Perfection foundation powder in the shade Deep, and it's a full-size product also, right there, Deep, and it is valued at $30. That is the packaging. That's pretty. All right, let's take a look. All right, there is a mirror, but that is the shade. So let's do a swatch. Oh, wow. If you can see, I swatched like right there, but that blends right in with my skin tone. Okay. All right, so y'all, I was so happy to get into this box. I forgot to show you guys the little pamphlet, but it says BoxyCharm, find your groove. You possess a rhythm entirely your own, so this month let it be the soundtrack to your journey of self-expression and growth. Move to your own beat, explore makeup that celebrates your unique beauty and embraces all your passions. All right, and then we have our little QR code down there that we can scan, and it shows everything that we've received. Power picks, and on the back it just has member perks, and it says an early holiday treat backed by popular demand. In October, shop our 25-day advent calendar worth more than $600 and get ready to unwrap 25 days of beauty bliss with merry makeup and skincare surprises. You can expect fan faves like Anastasia Beverly Hills, Glam Glow, KBD, Vegan Beauty, and so much more. And that's right there. Last year I didn't get the advent calendar. I had just missed out. So hopefully I can get it this year. All right, the two products or the two add-ons that I got. One was by Innisfree. It's a pore clearing clay mask with super volcanic clusters, and it's a wash off mask. It's 0.67 fluid ounces or 20 mils of product. It's that right there. And the other product that I got is a perfume. It is by Memoir Work From Home. I guess that's the scent. That's the box, and that is what it looks like. Let's see if I can spray it. Let's see. Oh, it smells kind of fruity. Let's see. Where are the notes? Does it say the notes? It's a fragrance with notes of warm cappuccino, sweet caramel, clean linens, and biscotti. That sounds like a recipe, but it smells good. Oh my gosh. I smell the sweet caramel and the clean linen, but not so much the biscotti or the warm cappuccino. Oh, but it does smell good. But that is everything that I received in my BoxyCharm by Ipsy box for the month of September. As always, everything will be linked down below. There is a referral link, so if you click on it, I get points to shop in their shop, and I think you get a discount, so it doesn't hurt you to click on the link. But you already know what to do. Go ahead, comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye. Bye.